Hello, welcome to another episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago, sponsored by Traveling Tech Teacher and thebullyexposed.com. If you guys know, I'm in quarantine in Italy for, I think we're on day 14, I think now. But where, when you're sitting at home, just self-quarantine, you get a lot of anxiety, and one of the best things to help with anxiety is feet up the wall. That helps out a lot. It helps out with blood flow to the legs. So if you have diabetes, it's important to keep that blood flow going. Feet up the wall helps with that. Digestion, it helps with that. Anxiety, there's a lot that it helps with. So it's very important. So a lot of you guys have asked me to show me for me to show you how I do it. Okay, first, get yourself a blanket and fold it to a square like this. What you want to do with this is you want to put your hips higher than your heart. When your hips are higher than your heart, it helps to get that blood into the heart, and then the heart pumps it right back to where it needs to go, your legs, your hips, stuff like that. So that's one thing you're going to need. So go get yourself that. And that's really about it. And a nice wall. That's all you really need. So there's many ways to get into position for it. What I like to do is hit a corner like this, doorway corner, and I get as close as I possibly can. And then I just put my feet up the wall. You can choose many different ways to get to it. Some people kind of squat themselves in with this to get close to the wall. Any way you do it is fine, as long as your hips and your feet are over your heart. All right, so now let's start. All right, so allow the body to settle, palms up. And then just notice your toes, make them soft, soften. Tops of the feet, back of the feet, insteps are all softening. Your ankles are softening. Your heels are softening. Your shins are softening. Calf muscles are softening. Top of the knees, sides of the knees, back of the knees soften. Upper thighs, hamstring. Insteps softens. Imagine your pelvis like a ball, softening. Front edges of the ball, softening. Then contents are softening. And the belly softens. The side waist softens. The back is softening. Shoulders are softening. Front of the rib cage, sides of the rib cage, back of the rib cage to the spine is softening. Upper chest, sternum area softens. And the collarbone widens out to the tips of the shoulders. Shoulder blades are softening and moving towards the hips. And the space between the shoulder blades widens and softens. Upper arms, biceps, triceps, and deltoids are softening. Points to the elbows, inner elbow are softening. Your forearms softening. Wrists are softening. Hands and fingers are all softening. Collarbone notches are softening. Your throat softens. Back of the neck softens and lengthens. Base of the head is softening. Your scalp softens. Your forehead widens and softens. Your temples are softening. Space between the eyebrows widens and softens. And your eyeballs rest into the eye socket. Your cheeks are softening. Your jaw softens. Your lips, teeth, and tongue are all softening. And your chin is softening. Slowly begin to waken your body, twiddling your fingers and toes. Give yourself a nice stretch. Helps realign the spine. And then bring your knees into your chest. Remove the blanket, slowly, very slowly, roll over on your side, come up to sitting. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. You could do that 2-3 times a day. It'll help you out a lot. So that's going to be it on this episode of Live Feed. Remember, it's brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher and thebullyexposed.com. Remember, anyone can wear the crown. Anyone can be a hero. Be kind to one another. Have a great day.